Hi, loves. Welcome to my first Kickstarter project. My name is Crystal Marie, and I am so glad that you stopped by. I'm so thankful that you're deciding to invest in the Diva Diaries planner. I created this with you in mind. You, the busy diva who is making a conscious decision to be intentional about her life. You, the woman with purpose and vision. You, the mother, sister, friend who is perfectly flawed. You, the beautifully complicated soul that is searching for simplicity in a world that advertises wanting more. You, the fashionista. You, the budgetista. You, the creative. You, the entrepreneur. You, the woman who cannot seem to get her life all the way together. You, the lady who is holding on to faith. You, the girl who loves to decorate her planner. You, the career-focused woman who is ready to manifest more opportunity. You, the one who loves quiet moments. You, the scrapbooker who wants to hold on to each memory. You. This planner is created for all the you that you are and all the you that you will become. I pray that this planner brings you closer to you. Thank you so much for coming to my first Kickstarter project and investing. I am hoping that you will find this planner to be your new best friend.